House has approved a bill at the committee level that would provide a universal social pension for all senior citizens. Speaking on BNC's Politico Nightly, Marikina 2nd District Representative Miro Kimbo called the current system unfair, noting that lifelong contributors to SSS and GSIS are often left behind while non-contributors receive aid first.
Ang pinakamalaking misnomer dito is marami sa ating mga kababayan nagbabayad ng SSS at GSIS. Yung pension ho nila, binayaran po nila, sarili nilang pera. So bakit po natin sila paparusahan? Ang lumalabas po dito is kapag kayo nagtrabaho buong buhay ninyo, nagbabayad kayo ng buwis, nagko-contribute kayo monthly, binabao sa inyong payslip sa SSS at GSIS, ay hindi kayo bibigyan ng pension. Pero yung mga hindi nagtrabaho, walang na-contribute na personal income taxes, sila pa yung mauuna. So, tingin ko sa kahit anong pagtingin mo, unfair talaga itong current policy na pinagbabawalan natin yung mga pensyonado dahil napakaliit naman talaga ng kanilang pension at halos hindi na yun napuputak sa kung saan-saan.
Kimbo stressed the pension is more than financial support. It's an investment in seniors' health and welfare. The measure guarantees every senior citizen a social pension while allowing those who don't need it to voluntarily opt out. The proposal now moves to the Senate for deliberation and passage.